back, I'm back, I'm back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shadeen, and as you can see in the description down below, what kind of video I will be doing for you. So guys, I will be unboxing not just one but two ring light. So I'm going to show you the first ring light that I had, or I was what I was using. I'll be showing you it first. Let me get it. So this is what I was using first. It's been a long year. It served me so well. About 3 years I have this. Yeah. So guys, ready? So this is a ring light. 3D-36. So 36 different kinda something with a show you all of them is something live streaming lamp, ambience lamp. Yeah. It comes with these. I've already set up this one and I'm using the next one, so I'm going to show you. I'm using one now to do this video, and then I'm going to set up this one and show you it. Okay. So let's see if I remember what I'm doing. So let me show you. Say yes on the screen. Oh, you never done it properly. What is that? This? Alright, come again. Something don't play with me. Tell me early, which one older? Alright. And so it's the drop at the side. Every minute is that. Alright. Last time, you know. Show me not play with it, you know. Not playing with it. I just put it up there so. Alright. Let's screw back on this. What can go so? It's still not going in. This is not right. Come something, behave yourself. Alright, we go do it till it happen today. Can't give up. Can't give up. Alright. Alright. Is that so? Can I drop it a bit lower? decide to work. Alright, so this is it. We still not feel like it feels safe there, so I'm gonna just watch it. Just have to watch it. I really don't want to do. These next. So this can bend a reflex. Put it in here, so. Then point it to me like this. Yeah. Alright. So guys, I just got home from church. I'm going to come here back. Guys, I am so glad that I got these, because now that I am cooking, I can do more cooking videos. Oh my god. I can do more cooking videos. I'm glad. I'm going to plug this in and show you the different lights. I'm going to turn off the light in the room. Turn off the light in the room. That's the first light. Can go down. We have I don't want it to be direct to you, because see, it will blink. I don't want it to affect anybody's eye. Oh. As I say, I don't want it to be too direct, because I know some persons can affect them. So that and many more. And you have different mood. Yes, guys. So pointing to me now. So no light is in the room, and they're both beautiful. So this I gotta work. Yeah, so boy, don't worry about that. I charge. So both of them will be pointing this way. Although the one is so bright up. Let me turn it down. Yeah. White light. Yeah, guys. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. And be carrying up more. so that you can take off the phone and show Uno how both of them looks. So that's them. Ooh, and the back is so pretty. Look, guys. Yeah. Let's see. So I'm gonna turn back the room so you can see them. Don't worry about there. That's where the box were. The boxes were. So they're nice. So guys, let me give a more up close picture of the box. So this is it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.